We hear when you're a kid in school and all talking about having good hygiene and keeping your body clean and this sort of thing. It is very important. Most people don't realize that there are a lot of very dangerous microorganisms out there. There are things like staph, there are viruses, or all sorts of things. We hear stuff on the news about the avian flu and all these sort of things. And if you don't use good hygiene, you don't keep your hands clean, if you take your hands, touch your nose, your eyes, your mouth, those are ways that you can transmit diseases to your body. And there are some organisms out there that just by being in certain situations you can be exposed to, like this very dangerous methicillin-resistant Staph aureus, the MRSA that a lot of people have heard of. That can really be a very dangerous bacterium. And we're finding more and more of these cases are acquired in the community. Years ago they were only in the hospital, but now we see a lot of people just getting them just in general. So there are a lot of things like that that can cause problems that people don't understand where you can actually acquire one of these infections. For that reason, it's very important that people do keep their skin clean, that they do wash their hands relatively frequently or use one of the hand cleansers, and especially if they are a carrier of something like staph, to use some kind of measure to keep their body from developing a boil or one of these more dangerous infections. And so as a consequence, after you've been in that environment, you really ought to use some kind of a measure to sort of sterilize your skin, so to speak, and make sure that you take either a shower or wash your hands or something at the very least to make sure that you're not going to actually be colonized with one of these organisms that can then lead to a more serious problem. One of the ways that we're kind of excited about is that we've developed this new bleach-containing wash. Bleach is very strong antiseptic product. It actually kills just about any bacterium, kills a lot of other things like viruses and even fungi. And if you use something like this, it will cleanse your body quite well, and if you use it on a periodic basis, you can maintain your body from actually getting colonized and keep it sterile or keep it cleaner for a longer period of time. So we recommend using something like that or one of the antibacterial soaps or something to keep your skin from getting one of these serious infections.